Hey, welcome back to another Assassin's Creed 2 video. Enjoy!
I'm sorry, Ezio. We could not have known Silvio would cheat as he did.
You should have.
Sister! You told us to let you know if we saw that rotting culo who stole the golden mask! He's on his way to the Doge's party!
I will go. I can catch him before he arrives and take back the mask.
How? By killing the poor Stronzo?
Yes. You know what's at stake.
No. If you kill him, they'll cancel the party. And Marco will retreat back into his palazzo. We'll have wasted our time again. Steal the mask instead. Quietly.
My girls can help. They're already on their way to the party, all along the route. They can help you distract him while you acquire the mask.
Va bene. I can do that.
My wares are good and my price is incredible! So low, it's a miracle I stay in business!
There it is.
Better kiss for a
Learn
maiden?
some new moves?
Truly, have you gentlemen found the best ladies in all the city?
Strong ragazzo. Looking for a good time?
Feel sweet wine and flesh that's sweeter still.
Come, friends! The new mines are making my metal working quite affordable!
That's an ugly mask.
Buonasera, signore.
You made it. Marco is on a boat, just offshore. He's set to make a speech in a few minutes. Use my girls until then. Move with them to stay out of sight.
Look at this
Where
mess.
are you going?
Don't offer to help me pick it up. No. I wouldn't want any more of your cursed help anyway.
Find him.
Agreed.
Where's the boat? Where is the boat?
Where do you think he's from? Napoli?
Die of loneliness. Someone doesn't come save me. Have you ever seen a beautiful maid?
Signore e signori, I present to you the beloved Doge of Venezia.
Benvenuti! Welcome, my friends, to the grandest social event of the season. At peace or at war, in times of prosperity or paucity, Venezia will always have Carnival!
They're done. He's not leaving the boat. swim out there.
I wouldn't try it. We'll be spotted right away.
Change of plans.
No. It's too soon. I'm not ready.
We rarely are. Che la morte non sia crudele. Requiescat in pace.
Both sides of him.
The city is gripped in terror, held captive by the horrid fiends of
sorry,
one man.
please, let me remove
We must
myself
all
from the
work
path.
together to bring about his downfall.
Where should I be going? That's too far away.
Get a kiss for a neighbor.
You'll never forget.
Well, looking for a good time, boy.
Going for so much pleasure.
Beautifully done! Che spettacolo! A true hero!
You must be exhausted. Come, relax.
Ah, the savior of Venezia. What can I say? Perhaps it was wrong of me to doubt so readily. Now, we'll see where all the pieces fall.
Enough of that now. You've worked hard, my son. I feel your tired body in need of comfort and succor.
But I have such aches and pains, sister. I may need a great deal of comfort and succor.
Oh, that can be arranged. Girls,
Ezio, Ser Antonio wishes to speak with you.
Grazie for the message.
But we should go to the villa first. Let's go to the villa. Where can I ride? Now we can buy the sword.
Price is so low.
We have this, but I don't need it yet. I have the armor. Sword of Altair. Nice. Yeah, let's buy this too. This first. Then the butcher's knife.
You'll be well satisfied, I know it.
Altair sword. What? And I have butcher's knife.
As he's guided by me. Don't be shy. I only...
Can I dye Altair's clothes?
We've sold out of devotional landscape. Don't...
Yeah, just the same.
No harm in browsing. Ciao.
Dios mío. I'm sorry.
Now let's go back to Venice. And here we are. Let's do our mission.
There you are. Come, Ezio. I'd like to introduce you to an associate. This is Agostino Barbarigo, soon to be Doge of Venezia, thanks to you.
È un onore fare la vostra conoscenza, illustrissimo. I'm sorry for the loss of your brother.
He had it coming. He was bought and paid for by the Borgia. A mistake I have no intention of making.
Come, Ezio. We have much to discuss. We've located Silvio Barbarigo for you. He's fled into l'Arsenale.
Fled? You mean occupied, and joined by 200 mercenari, no less.
You're Doge now. Can't you command them to stand down?
The Committee of 41 has yet to confirm my ascension. And this little stunt of Silvio's has only made things worse. He has an entire army at his command.
Then help me to raise my own.
I figured you'd say as much. Bartolomeo d'Alviano is the man you seek. He and his men have little love for Silvio. He resides within the military district, southwest of l'Arsenale.
Va bene. I'll go and see him.
Silvio Barbarigo. Raised by wealthy merchants, Silvio was introduced to politics when his father was cut out of the family inheritance. From then on, Silvio worked for his uncle, his father's killer. Apparently, he had a knack for persuasion. Quickly, he became his uncle's advisor, proving his worth by discovering a Soranzo plot against the Barbarigos. You're gonna love this. Before the plot could be carried out, Silvio throws an Easter celebration, inviting the Soranzos. There's a pageant for the children in the central courtyard, while Silvio escorts the parents to the roof. He toasts the family, then signals the archers hidden behind the courtyard windows. The Soranzos never plotted against the Barbarigos again. Fast forward 10 years, and Silvio's living in his uncle's luxurious Venetian palazzo. According to the history books, his uncle died in bed.
So it's time to leave the place. Did I get everything? What's that? Oh, that's an assassination contract. Okay, I think I got it. Now let's do this. Let's do this. I found a. I keep seeing sigil, but I just read it. It's called the glyph.
No, that until word returns to us from the Holy Father, the disputed lands to the
Do you see what's going on? Not yet, but you will.
Instruments of power. Cut down their enemies, so it's a sword. Nope. Zoom. There's a sword there. There's a sword. Is that a sword? There's a sword. There's a sword. Piece of Eden 25. A sword? Their hands, the wise, lean on a great force. Lean. A chair. Okay. Okay. Lean. What does that mean? Lean. Like a religion or something? Okay, let's... Religion. Gods. God. Wait. What's the last one? I don't know. Wise. So let's go with the wise. Okay, now I'm stuck. Lean. What does... Leaning on something? Wait, maybe it's a staff. Okay, let's go with the staff. Staff. Okay, so it's a staff. Okay, now we're done with that. Let's go to the viewpoint. Okay, now that we cleared all the viewpoints here, we can start the mission. I cleared all the viewpoints here. Now let's do the mission. Now where is this?
Please, help!
Not quite sane, is he? Bears watching.
Please, help!
Upstairs? Oh, there he is.
Please!
You must be one of Bartolomeo's men. What's happened here? Where is he?
Silvio's thugs attacked, took him deeper into the district. North of here.
Requiescat in pace.
Get there! There! On him!
Nope, I just fell.
You must be wondering how this is even possible. Only release and I'll gladly demonstrate! Miserabili pezzi di merda! Any unattended damage.
Where is he?
And be courteous to city workmen. You have no honor, no valor, no punch! And people wonder why it is Venezia's star has begun to fade.
I need help from this.
I'll show mercy to whoever here has the courage to release me. All the rest of you are going to die! By my hand, I swear it! What sort of man sells his honor
Let them
and
have it.
dignity for a bit of coin? You realize you are in service to a traitor and a coward! Merchants acting privately may do so with Longian and Refract. Oh! You think I don't know why you chained me up? You think I don't know who pulled Silvio's puppet strings? I've been fighting weasel of a master since before most of you were even glimmers in your father's eyes! About goddamn time! I don't know if I should kiss you or slap you. Maybe both, just to be safe.
That's quite all right.
Who are you?
I'm Ezio Auditore da Firenze. I'm here to rescue you.
Let's see who winds up rescuing who.
What do you mean?
Down there! Stop them! Don't overextend yourself. How would you like it? Let's see what you can do! What fun this will be! Finally, things get interesting! What fun this will be!
should go.
Break! Bone! Agreed. There are still more heads to be smashed.
Perhaps we should try and avoid conflict.
Why? Are you afraid?
No, just practical. Given that they outnumber us 100 to 1. To business.
As you wish, Bella Mia. Watch for the large one. Dante is called. Most of Silvio's men are useless, but that one's trouble. Ah, sweet Frida. How I have missed you.
Silvio has set his men to ransacking your place. Prepare yourself for a fight.
Ah, no need. Bartolomeo is always prepared for a fight.
Isn't that...
Eccolo!
Where?
Get him!
Could be our man.
Come on! Let's see what you finally things get interesting! What fun this will be! Finally, things get interesting! What fun this will be! About time!
Fall in.
If you value your life, you'll stand down. Never! What good is a man's life if it's not lived free, eh? I'll not go back into a cage. Then you'll go into the ground. Kill them. Down! Let's see what you can do!
Decorate the piazza!
Backstab.
All right, this way.
What a mess they've made. Bianca. I hope she is unharmed.
Well, we can hope. We can only hope. I need this. Nothing important on the map. What's this? Oh, that's a boat. Okay. Nothing really.
Bianca! Bianca!
Is everything all right?
What do you think? Look at this place. And poor Bianca. If something's happened to her...
I bet she is a pet.
Aha!
Oh, a sword.
My darling. Thank God you're all right. Ezio, meet Bianca. Bianca, Ezio.
Charmed.
So, I know your name, but not why you're here.
I have business with Silvio Barbarigo. I was told you could help.
Ah, it would be my honor.
But it's going to require more than just the two. 3 of us to weaken his forces. How do you suggest we proceed?
I'll go and ready my men for battle. While I do this, I'd like you to rescue those who were captured during Silvio's assault. I cannot in good conscience leave them behind.
Intesi. I will attend to it at once.
Good luck out there, Ezio.
I don't need luck. Well, maybe a little bit. A little bit of luck. Where is that? Oh, it's close by.
What to do with this lot?
Flood the cage, I say. Drown them all.
You have mistaken me for another, yes? I am not your enemy.
A decency law that applies to just Where did he go? Oh, what have I done? Forgive me!
That's certainly adventurous.
Oh, it's on the other side.
Well, aren't you a funny man?
Can I death from above?
Assassino! Cut him down!
What am I doing?
Many thanks for the aid, friend. We'd like to fight with you, if you'll have us.
Let's go.
Have been revised. These have been posted as amendments to the laws concerning the Korrigan.
So I'm just carrying them around.
Should be examined by a maestro following reports of a recent outbreak of plague.
Salve.
Your master's in chains and you...
Isn't that this odd feeling? Could be
Oh, God.
Solo così! Solo così!
Ottimo lavoro! Dannazione! No, dai! Reminds me of one of the kids dancing a saltarello. Seguimi.
This one was different.
May you find peace.
Rest in peace. Misery, violence, and death. The three pillars of our existence.
Ah, such violence. What hell have we brought down upon ourselves?
And what a stench!
We are with you, friend. Only lead the way.
Follow my lead.
Basta! Why would you...
Let it be known in Paolo in maschera is to be held before the Palazzo Dandolo in 1 week's time. Signor Frangibus Dandolo himself shall preside.
Should be now.
Hey, you there! On
Straniero, stop! Only one solution for a Pidocchio. One solution for a Pidocchio. Very well.
Solo così!
No, ma. To get up now.
Qui, let's do it.
Only one solution for a Pidocchio.
I think this is just bullying. And I will be attacking at the back.
We can get him to the pier.
Leave me alone! I've nothing to do! I've got to get out of here! Get away! Leave me be! I'm not threat to anyone!
Let us join you. Together we will crush the Barbarigo.
You just left me.
Ah, Cristo. This area is bursting at the seams with crime.
Onward you shall slay good Sir. I'll sing a different song. Are you quite sane? Weapons of the finest grade. Here for your perusal, good.
Okay, so it's still not broken. But the deflect though. Oh yeah, I'm using the butcher's knife.
Tell your friends about me.
Oh, we're here. Wait, I just saw a box. It's already open.
Salute, Ezio. Welcome back. And well done. My host is restored to its former glory. Now Silvio will see just how grave a mistake he's made.
How should we proceed? A direct assault against the Arsenale?
No. We'd be massacred at the gates. I have something else in mind. Take my men and plant them throughout the district. The trouble they cause will force Silvio to dispatch most of his guards.
And with the Arsenale drained of mercenaries, I can move in for the kill.
Esatto. You'll be virtually unopposed.
Let's hope he takes the bait.
Oh, don't worry. He will.
On me.
I just have to kill. Okay.
Aha! Laggiù! On him! Adesso basta! Dai, sei lì lesso nel male! Porca là, dai, stronzo!
Wait, am I using my daggers?
Stay close.
Madonna santa! The merchant
I may be a bit disorganized, but I do know
I'm only visiting! I don't know what's going on! Very well, if you insist.
Ancora!
Misericordia! No, please, don't kill me!
All right, this way. Wait here for my signal.
As you wish.
Fall in.
As you wish.
Tutti pazzi! Got to get back home!
Your wish is my command.
Please, accept my apologies, good son. He will break his neck!
He's crazy. Whatever.
That's good. Don't worry. We'll catch you.
Adesso vai, dai! Adesso le mani! Run!
Hold your ground here.
Consider it done.
Let's go.
Fear spread throughout the city. A plague of terror and death.
Oh, lovely. My apologies, sir. I'll get out of your way.
Ma che fa? Si sei?
There's a chest there.
Just let me leave it, please! There he is! I'm only visiting! I don't know what's going on!
Wait.
Laggiù! He's there, on him! Just
Non mettere le dita nel naso, bambino!
I can't do the sideways dodge.
well done! Keep at it! Show them! Forza! Forza! Bravo! You beat it! Forza! Bravo! Bravo! Get him! That's it!
I can't get the timing right.
Va bene! this? I'm nobody. Not important.
How convenient. There's a healer here.
Perhaps you should avoid the deeds that brought you here.
Here, this is where you wait.
Send word when it's time to strike.
Cow! Where are you going? Please, just leave me be. I'm not a party to any of this. Salute.
Ah, there you are. Is it done?
Yes, all your men are in place.
Bene, bene. Take this. I assume you know how it works. Find the highest point you can in the district, and fire it from there. This signals my men to begin the attack.
All right then. I will see you on the battlefield.
That you will.
Yes, it's time. It's time to do my work.
Where's that one? I know.
There he is! Lajou!
Not really.
Faster! We're losing him! There! Get him! Perish before their children! Then not even the little ones were spared! Monster! That's an outlandish hope. I know the one, isn't he?
That's good.
In the hole!
Where the...
Come here, stranger! The acts of this disgusting criminal cannot be tolerated in a civilized, enlightened society such as ours. He must be erased.
I don't see him.
There is a vile, infernal assassin walking among us. He spread throughout the city. Slave of terror and death.
Almost fell. Nope.
Do not be deceived by those voices seeking to justify his acts. He is nothing but a cold killer. Reveling only in death.
Bartolomeo needs my help.
Must return to l'Arsenale.
Get him!
Salute, Ezio!
Care for some company?
By all means! After him!
That is not what he sees.
Hey, Ami! A fine specimen, isn't he? You should be honored to die by his hand.
Raggiungimi, coglione! Uso da mona! Porca puttana! Come on, Ezio, we need to stop that grassone, but...
You think I don't know why you're here, Ezio? But you're too late! Nothing you can prevent us from obtaining it! That's right! You still don't know, do you? Though once Dante's done with you, it won't matter anymore! You mishear me? Enough of this! We're out of time! Return to me! We must depart!
Ezio, go now! That brute will no doubt lead you straight to his master. My men and I will remain here, and keep the guards from giving chase.
Hurry! They're going to leave without us!
What's the matter?
There's... You think you can outrun us?
No, just try it. You'll take a bit of a tumble there.
Whatever this is about, leave me out of it, please!
Pezzi di merda, come on then! I enjoy this game!
Yes, yes, come on, bravo!
Nato! He's getting away!
Don't worry!
We'll catch the bastard!
I
We
hate
can
that.
get him to the piazza. Today's final bonfire is still an hour away.
Take him down!
Peasants are not allowed up here!
Easy peasy.
What's happened here? Why the boats? I thought you saw the Doge's seat.
Just a distraction. We were meant to sail.
Sail where?
I'll never tell. Cyprus is their destination. They want...
Non temete l'oscurità. Accettate il suo abbraccio. Requiescant in pace.
The Apple of Eden. That's what they want.
Well done, Ezio! Silvio is defeated, and the military district is returned to us. Perhaps now Venezia might finally enjoy a bit of pace e tranquillità. We should celebrate this victory!
I am glad for you and your men, Bartolomeo, but I cannot join. I fear my work has just taken a rather strange turn.
What do you mean?
Silvio wasn't looking to replace Marco as Doge. He was about to leave Venezia, in fact. This whole thing was just a distraction.
Why?
That is what I need to find out.
Is it the end of the sequence?
Why would anyone carry on like that?
Yep. No. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more Assassin's Creed 2 videos, click here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.